Hi guys, it's me John again, and I want to make that video with new updates about coronavirus, which I have. And I have a friend in America who works in a hospital, and she's a nurse, and she's fighting with coronavirus. So, so I have some update. Uh, One American scientist, a doctor, he went to China, and he noticed. Of course, he was involved to procedure of treatment, and he noticed when people had the coronavirus in hospitals and at the same time they had stomach problems. For example, me, I have stomach problems, and by doctor I am given a tablets, and one of them is omeprazole, and one of them cimetidine or ranitidine, or that keeps stomach from the pain and suffering and the burping and the heartburn. So that doctor noticed that the people who had the stomach pain and when they had the treatment from coronavirus, they had some tablets from the stomach, and they left hospital 25% more people than who didn't take that tablets. So in other word, people who took that stomach tablets, they died less than the people who didn't take that tablet. Then he noticed that. He went back to America and then start to check what's happening. And there is like I said, some sort of tablets for the stomach, and most popular is ranitidine, which was called back by manufacturers, cimetidine, and famotidine. So, for example, for me now, because ranitidine, this tablet, ranitidine, was called back by manufacturer, like risk for the cancer, I was given cimetidine, but I did not like it because tablet is massive. I can't swallow it. So, and I've been prescribed another tablet, which now on the way to me, name is famotidine. So, why I'm talking about myself? Because that American doctor, when he went back to America, he continued scientist investigation, checking, and what they find out, people who even between people who had the stomach problem, they had 3 different tablets. Who had the money, more money, they used to take omeprazole. Who had less money, they were given famotidine, which I don't have. I can show you. It's on way to me now from the shopping. So, and more poor people, they used famotidine because it's cheaper. So even between the people with the stomach problem and who had the coronavirus, the people who took famotidine, they went home 25% more than people who took omeprazole only. They died more. So, and it not just my words. So the doctors, because they don't have a time to create new medication for coronavirus, they try to use old medication and find which is works. So I will show you. American doctor, he made that list. I'll show you that list. That list of medication, already existing medication, I will read it. Which one helps better than others one. So in this list, in first place is antibacterial limicicline. In second place is antibacterial is chlorhexidine, which I told you before, which is by protocol using in Russia in many countries. And in fifth place is that tablet famotidine. And that famotidine is anti-ulcerative activity tablet. So that's why I'm trying to tell you weird things happening. So people who actually treating stomach and taking stomach problem, they're healing up from coronavirus. That's really interesting. So guys who has a stomach problem and have a tablets or cimetidine, ranitidine, famotidine, try to take famotidine, and even if you prescribe, that will keep you away from coronavirus as well. So I hope it helps. That's what I knew today. Some news for you. I hope it helps. I just try to help you. Bye bye, guys. Stay safe. Take care of you. Bye.